day, M4979. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Bernadine Maamo Brosola. I'm 39 years old. I'm happily married with 3 kids, 16 years old, 11 years old, and 4 years old. I'm a Roman Catholic, and I'm a high school graduate.
Okay. I saw that you have experience being a helper in Hong Kong.
Yes, sir.
As a helper, what
Yes,
are
sir.
your main duties?
Taking care of newborn baby, cleaning the house, gardening, car washing. Sometimes I cook, and marketing.
Okay. I saw that you are terminated on your contract. Why?
My employer said she no need longer to me.
So your employer said to you that you no need
Yes, sir.
the service of yours.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any release paper?
Yes, sir. I have a termination letter.
You have a termination
Yes.
letter, a good release letter,
Yes,
or
sir.
recommendation letter.
Good release letter lang, sir.
Okay, but you don't have any recommendation
Yes, sir.
letter. But you have the contact number of your employer.
Yes, sir.
You can ask him or her
Yes, sir.
for your recommendation letter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have also another experience, but here in the Philippines,
Yes, sir.
as a helper here in the Philippines, what are your main duties?
Taking care of newborn baby and serve the one couple, cleaning the house, cooking, gardening, car wash, and taking care of pet.
Okay. I saw that you have experience taking care of 0 to 7 months old baby and also 1 month old baby girl here in the Philippines. As uh, as you take care a newborn baby, how do you prepare a milk for this newborn baby? How do you prepare a milk for this newborn baby?
First, first, I need to wash my hand and I need to make sure to clean the table or to in the bottle to sanitize, and then I put the milk and then warm water in 70.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do? What will you do if the baby is crying?
First, I need to check the diaper, full, I need to change, then take the temperature if I'm sick, and then not stop crying. I will call the employer and tell us and follow her instruction.
Okay. Do you have any idea because you are ex Hong Kong to cook Chinese food, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you cook?
Steamed fish, stir fried vegetable, steamed egg, sometimes long soup.
Okay. Um, if the employer prepared food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they prepared.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share uh, it is okay to you to work on a holiday setup by your employer.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cover your hair short because I saw that you have a long hair.
Yes.
If one of the member of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, sir. We
Okay. Last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, to my prospective employer. If you hire me, I will promise to you that I will do my best to do my duties very well. And I'm hardworking, polite, honest, flexible. And if you want to extend my and to finish my contract to you, hope to see you soon. Thank you, ma'am, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. And for 979, Miss Bernadine.